Now we will create these columns, like the first column will be for step 1 and step 2, the second column will be for the step 3 and step 4. So creating these columns are very easy, there is nothing difficult in it. If you remember in our previous lectures when we were creating columns, so we use an element intersection. So we will go back to our dashboard, and here in the elements panel we will search for intersection element. So this is the intersection element, just click on it, drag it and drop it below the description. Now by default it gives us 2 columns, and we also need only 2 columns. Now inside the first column we will add an element icon box. So go back to the elements panel and search for icon box. So this is the icon box element, just click on it, drag it and drop it inside the first column. Now click inside this icon box, then go to the content tab and scroll down to the bottom. So here at the bottom you will see this icon position option. So by default the icon position is at the top, and if you remember in our previous lecture when we were using the icon box element, so we left the icon position at the top, which was by default, but this time we will change it to left. So click here. Now you can see the icon position is changed to the left side. Now we will change this title text and the description text. So first we will change the title text. I will remove the demo text from here, and I will go back to our demo website, and from here I will copy the text of the step 1 title. Now I will go back to our dashboard and I will paste it here. Now I will remove the description text from here, and I will copy the description of step 1 from our demo website, and I will paste it here. Now we will change this icon. So we will scroll up, and here you will see the icon option. So click on it and you can search here for your desired icon. So I will search for an icon paper plane. So this is the icon. You can choose your desired icon from here which you like, but I will use this one, so I will click on it and then I will click on insert. Now you can see the icon is changed. Now the next thing we need to do is to go to the style tab, and from here first of all we will change the color of this icon. So I will click here on this color option, and I will change the color of this icon to a red color. So for the red color I'm using the code EF3F49. So I will remove this code and I will write here EF3F49. Now I will click here. So the color of the icon is now changed to a red color. Now the next thing here is the content option. So if you click on content, so here you will see a title option and a description option. So first of all we will change the color of this title. So I will click here on the color option, and I will change the color of this title to a light gray color. So for that we are using the code 424242. Now I will click here, and then we will click on typography for the title. I will scroll down a little, and here first of all we will change the font family for this title. So for most of the title and heading in our website I am using the Ubuntu font family. So I will search for Ubuntu. I will click on this. Now the size of this title will be 25 pixels. Now I will close the typography for the title, and now we will change the color of the description. So I will click here on color option, and I will change the color of this description to 424242. Now I will click on typography for the description, and here we will change the font family of this description to Leto. So I will search for Leto, and we will change the size of the description text to 15 pixels, 15. Now I will close the typography for the description. So here you can see our first step is created. Now creating the second, third and fourth step is very easy. Just right click here in the first step and make it duplicate. Now the only thing we need to do is to change the text of this title and the text of this description, and we will change this icon also. And for the third and fourth step, we will just right click here, we will copy it, we will paste it here, and again we will duplicate this. So you can see this saves us a lot of time. Now the only thing we will do is we will change the text of the titles and descriptions, and we will change the icons. So first of all, we will create the step 2. So I will click inside this step 2, and I will change the icon of this step 2. So I will click here, then I will search here for an icon called palm. So I will write here palm, and this is the one. I will click on it, and I will click on insert. So you can see the icon is changed now. Now for the text of the title, I will remove this text from here. I will go back to our demo website, and then from here I will copy the text of the step 2 title, and I will paste it here. Now I will remove this description text from here, and I will copy the description text of the step 2 from here, and I will paste it here. Now for the step 3, click inside this icon box. First change the icon of this step 3. So I will search for handshake icon. So I will choose this one, then I will click on insert. Now first I will change the title text, so I will remove it from here. Again I will copy it from here, and I will paste it here. Now I will remove the description. I will copy it from here, and I will paste it here. Now the final step is step 4. So I will click inside this icon box. I will change the icon from here, and I will search the icon here, envelope. So this is the one. I will click on it, and I will click on insert button. Now for changing the title text and description text, again remove it from here. I will copy it from our demo website, and I will paste it here. Now for the description, now if I move the panel to the side, so you can see very easily we created our step 1, step 2, step 3 and step 4. Now the final thing we need to do is to add the call to action button here. So we will do that in the next lecture.